This is a single mode inner core of a fibre cable. First of all, we need to strip the outer buffer from the cable, like so. Then the fibre itself needs to be cleaned with isopropanol liquid. Then we need to load it into what's called a cleaver. The cleaver will give us a perfectly cut end to the end of our fibre. Which then will need to be loaded into the fusion splicer. The second process will be to take what's called a pigtail. On the pigtail we need to load a splice protector. To prepare the pigtail, first of all we need to strip off the outer sheath, and then we need to do the same process to strip the buffer from the fibre. Once this process has been completed, we then need to clean the fibre and repeat the same steps that we did for the fibre cable. We load it into the cleaver and cleave the end of the fibre cable, which then needs to be positioned into the fusion splicer. At this point we need to check that the fibre settings are the same of the fibre type which will be fusion splicing. These are both correct because we've installed it. Press the start button. The fusion splicer will then align the fibre and show the cleave angles and the cleave cuts before splicing the fibre. When the fibre has been spliced, it will give us an estimated loss. An estimated loss with this fibre is 0.000 dB, which can't really get much better. When the fusion splicer has completed its process, we then remove the fibre from the machine and pull over the splice protector which we put on the plant earlier. The splice protector has a stainless steel rod to protect it, because this will then become the weakest point of the fibre. From that point we then put the splice protector into the oven of the machine to shrink wrap the splice protector upon the cable. This will take a couple of minutes to perform. When the process has completed, we can safely remove the fibre to reveal the splice protector has shrunk down upon the cable, giving it a permanent and solid fixture.